Okay, so we're going to change the spark plugs on this 2014 GMC Sierra with the 5.3 liter V8. Hopefully it's going to be a pretty straightforward job. I do see one difficult plug to get to. I believe it's the number 8 plug, but either way it's the rear, on the rear cylinder here on the passenger side. It's going to be pretty tight. The tools I'm going to use today, first I'll have a stool to help me reach over, to stand on, and those are my tools. 3/8 inch drive flex head ratchet, an extended needle nose with a looped in spark plug wire puller, and my AC Delco 41-114 spark plugs, and 2 5/8 sockets, one of them with a short 3/8 inch wobble extension, and the other is a step up short extension to go from the 3/8 to a 1/2 inch for a 1/2 inch drive 5/8 spark plug socket. So hopefully this is about all I'm going to need. Okay, this is what I used to remove that plug that was so difficult to get to, that flex head ratchet with the stubby 3/8 extension, the 5/8 socket, and the looped in needle nose pliers. And another thing I did was I pulled the spark plug cable out of the way and tied it up with that green electrical tape down in there. And then to get down to where the plug is at, I had to pull those 2 cables out of the way, kind of gently move those up and get the ratchet in there. This should be the most difficult plug on the job. Hopefully the rest of it will be a little easier. Okay, all 4 plugs replaced on the passenger side. Went pretty smooth. A little difficulty on that back rear plug there. Some people out there say you need to remove the fender well to get to that one, but I was able to do it without having to remove the fender well, so it saves some time. I did want to show you one thing. These 2 hoses right here, you can pull these out of the way. They clip onto that bracket right there. You just unclip them and pull them out of the way and give you a lot more access. Okay, on to the driver's side. Okay, spark plug change on 2014 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter motor. We've already done the passenger side plugs. Moving over here to the driver's side. This side is going to be a lot easier from what it looks like. So we'll see how it goes. Alright, spark plug job is done. Got the other 4 plugs replaced on the driver's side. All that went pretty well. A lot easier than the passenger side. So all in all, this job took about an hour. These are the tools that I used. That magnet there I had to use to retrieve the spark plug that I dropped when I was trying to install it into that back left passenger side cylinder, the one that's so difficult to get to. I dropped it down into the frame of the truck, and luckily was able to get it back out with that magnet. So that was a little problem there that had to overcome, but not a big deal. My GMC dealer that I bought the truck from wanted $600 to replace these plugs. I bought the set of 8 plugs from AutoZone. I think they were $72, so saved myself a little bit of money. Anyway, this is not a very difficult job, and most anybody with average mechanical skills can take it on. So good luck.